Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome back to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today's topic is called Archive Plus. It is also called Archive or Archive Plus Plus. And this topic is very profound topic when it comes to data integrity. When it comes to data integrity, one of the key word which is coined is Archive Plus. Particularly for pharmaceutical and laboratory, this is a widely used topic for managing the records effectively. So in this video, I'm going to also going to talk about two powerful example directly linking with the pharmaceutical and laboratory. So let's see what these alcove is all about. So first word is A, in this letter A mean attributable. The next letter is called L, legible, and C for contemporaneous, and then O for original, accurate, and these are all the things called alcove, ALCOA. The next four words, which is called plus, like complete, consistent, enduring, available, and so on. Right? So let's see at the eagle view what this topic is all about. We'll go a little bit deeper. So alcove is a framework set of principles that ensure the data integrity, as I said, and it was introduced by and is still used by the FDA, the US Food Drug Administrator, and it has been relevant a range of areas, particularly in relation to pharmaceutical research, manufacturing, testing, and the supply chain. And then the next question, possible question you might ask is, why is data integrity important to Archive Plus? So over time, the data integrity concept expands from Archive to Archive Plus, Archive Plus to Archive Plus Plus, and so on, right? So in this one, the main aim is to observe the data, to maintain the data, maintain the records effectively. What do you need to know about Archive Plus? Currently, Archive has been expanded, as we said before, from Archive Plus and all that. And this neatly requires all data to have the following quality. And we'll see what is those qualities all about. What is Archive principle? This is how the Archive principle came to be. According to Archive principle, the data should have minimum five qualities, right? The first one, attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. And each thing has got one sub set piece of it, which we will be talking about it. So let's see that how that ISO 9001 2015 has given the standard class number 3 terms and definition. Like the same thing, I have put up this topic. Take an example, the very first letter called attribute. Attribute meaning like who acquired the data, who performed the data, an action, and when. Very, very clear. So when you talk about the difference between document and record, one of the thing is when you say record, when the activity was being performed. So when there is a question of when, right? The ultimate question comes like when. When you talk about record, the next word is when it has been created, when it's been generated, right? So who acquired the data, who performed the data, who performed an action, and when. And then you have next question is legible. Can you read the data without any ambiguity, without any confusion, and so on, any entries? And then you have the next word is called contemporaneous, data recorded at the time they are generated or observed. And then you have original, a written printout or observed or certified copy thereof. And then accurate, the term accurate means you all know, data must be accurate, truthful, data must be complete, valid, reliable, and all that. So this is all about archive. Another extension version is called plus, right? So one is called complete. All the data, including any repeat or reanalysis, performance sampling, nothing has been deleted. Everything has to have the data, like audit trail, every data we need to have. And consistent, all element of the analysis, such as the sequence of the event, follow on, and our date, our time, stamped, and the expected sequence, everything has to have a consistency. And enduring, not recorded the back of the envelope, cigarette packet, sticky notes, or the sleeve of the code, but the notebook, electronic media in the data system of instrument. It should be very enduring, it should be readable and all that. Available, can be accessed for review and audit or inspection over the lifetime of the record. So this is also, Alchem topic is also very useful when we talk about the standard, medical standard 13485. This will be very useful for you to manage the records. Let's talk a little bit further. Let us see that example to meet the regulatory requirement. Let's say you have a laboratory, how these things should meet it. So this one, I wanted to give credit to Agilent website, where this information I have put up. I have just taken some notes from it. Let's say attributable to a specific staff member via audit trail, e-signature. Now that we can attribute at who has created the record. The next one is called legible for internal reference and audit, as well as for regulatory inspections. And then contemporaneous, so that the data is recorded at the time that work is performed, not backdated, not previously date is fed. Original, retain in the format in which they were originally generated, original format. Let's say you generated the record in PDF, wash PDF and scan copy, that we need to have the original form, right? You might transfer in electronically various forms and all that, but original form is very important. Accurate, using the system that minimize error and provoke that provoke something called POCA-UK, error free, ensuring the raw data analytical result are correctly presented. And then complete, making sure everything is included, nothing is missing. And consistent, based on the system that enforces use of approved data accusation analysis method, reporting template laboratory workflows, and so on. Enduring, using media that ensure records are maintained and protected. You might use a different portal, different software, and to do that. Available so that the record are accessible as needed. So this is one example I quickly wanted to talk about it. And even if you can substitute this in the pharmaceutical, the same way we can just equate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is very nice topic. I will be coming up with more interesting such topic. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.